What's up, everybody? Phil from the attic here. Got another unboxing for you guys from Nike. Open this up. Alright. And we got a Jordan 4 box, the cement bottom. The top is white, which the Jordan 4s usually have a black top. As you can see on the tag right there, I got the Jordan 4 retros in the white, fire red, tech gray colorway. So these retail for $190, and I got these on the early release on the sneakers app. We got the regular cement splatter tissue paper on the inside to match the bottom of the box. And there we go. That's the shoe. So some people are calling these the White Oreos. I don't know if that's an official name, but it basically is the White Oreos. The black Oreo colorway of the shoe with the black parts being white, basically. That's, I would say. And maybe the only other difference I would say is I think the swoosh on the black Oreo pair is gray. I mean, the Jumpman is gray. On these, they're red. And yeah, the leather seems very soft. All around soft. You got the also another Jumpman on the bottom that's red. But yeah, the tongue does have that tongue that has been coming out on the more recent 4s, which is, it feels like it's layered almost, like it has it feels like it's a separate cushion on the back, as opposed to some of the older Jordans like this pair right here. You can see the tongue is connected to it. It's a weird shoe. This is from the 2012 bread pair, which was really bad condition, where the midsole would just chip, and I had beat these to the ground, but the midsoles chipped within the first wear of these. So I'm hoping these are not the same, that the paint won't chip. It doesn't look to be the same, but I won't know until these are being worn. But yeah, the back, you have the leather tab too, which is not plastic, similar to the Oreos. They are the leather that's all over the shoe. The wing tabs are plastic though. I know some 4s do come with a leather or a suede material for the wingtips. But you got the netting all over too, the cement with the splatter. And then the airbag units are also white. And the inside is like a nice satin lining, which is feels really soft. Generally, for me, the retros do run a bit small, so I have to go half a size up. When I usually wear 10.5 on most shoes, on the 4s, to fit me more comfortably, not to destroy my pinkies on the outside part, I have to go like a size 11. But this is a great colorway. I'm sure these will look great when they're more worn in. And I think the Oreo Jordan 4s is probably one of my favorite pairs, so the black pair. But this is a pretty solid classic colorway, I would say, like an instant classic compared to a lot of the 4s where they're doing a lot too much on it. I think these simpler colorways usually do it better for me. But yeah, that's all for today. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys gonna try on the app? If you guys strike out or not. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, if this is a classic called instant classic, or there's market's too saturated for 4s, everything coming out, too many off-whites. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Thanks.